Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm reviewing a new product from a new company that I've never used before, and the company is called ARHGOAT, and they have hair fibers that will help to disguise visible scalp. So as you can see, I have androgenetic alopecia, which is kind of all over. So I have it on the sides, and I have it all over in the front here. And I'm going to be showing you this new product, which is fantastic. Really great company. Everything is it's all natural, and it's been really great to try their products. Now, what I want to show you first though is I ordered medium blonde, and I also ordered medium blonde and medium brown. And when I've tried it, I tried it one time before shooting this video, and what I found is that the blonde was too light for me, and the medium brown was a little too dark. So I ended up mixing them together. So I poured the fibers out, mixed them together, and then put them back in the bottle. So the color that you're seeing me using is a mix of the medium blonde and the medium brown. So if you have hair like mine, medium brown will probably work. It's just a little bit dark. The medium blonde though will be too light for someone that has hair of my color. So what I did is I didn't just purchase these hair fibers. I also purchased I was also sent the hair supplies to go along with it. So one of these is $20, which is an amazing price for a bottle this big. But if you buy a bottle with all of the accessories that you'll see me using, it's $50, and it comes with spray, the fibers, and a little comb to help to make your hairline look a little bit more natural. Now, this part goes onto the top of the bottle, and this is going to help to apply the fibers in a more natural way. You can also, if you don't want to buy that, you can see here that there's little holes on top of here, and you can shake it into your scalp. But now that I've tried both, and definitely if you think about purchasing these fibers, definitely purchase this applicator. It makes the whole process a lot easier. You can still just shake it in like this, kind of like you're shaking in some salt or pepper into your hair, but the applicator definitely makes it a lot easier to use. So now let's just go right into using it. So I'm going to start with the thinnest part of my hair, which is up top here. Then we'll just work in sections here. The more you use products like these, is the better you become at knowing how far away to hold it from your head. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little part that they gave me here to put some up close. Okay, I'm going to brush that back. So you can already see how these fibers are covering the thin areas. Now I'm just going to go and just go look into my mirror and just find any of the spots that need to be filled in more. All right, so the front area is more or less done. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to fill in some of the areas here. So you can just take a look here as I'm going along here. Now, this product, as you can see, I'm just gonna kind of put my hair like this again. Totally different now. So all the scalp that was visible up here is not visible anymore. And even if I want to put my hair half up, half down, some of these spots here that where you can see scalp, you can just plug it right in. Now, who would I recommend this product for? So I'd recommend this product for someone like me who is experiencing androgenetic alopecia, or for any reason that you're losing your hair and that you have some thin spots. What's great about this product is that it's very non-invasive. You just apply it, and there's nothing you're hooking in, so it's a little bit less of a commitment than buying a hair topper or a wig. I will say that the only con I would say about this product is that if you go out and it's raining, you definitely would be wanting to wear a hat or have an umbrella, because if the rain falls on it, it will affect how the fibers stay on. One thing I did try is I slept in it overnight, and it didn't really affect the fibers that much. It kind of just like, you know, it stayed basically the same when I slept in the product overnight. So you can sleep in it. I would recommend it also if your hair is thinning and you're thinking about, okay, well, what's the first thing that I can try? If you're not yet ready to think about hair pieces, a product like this, like ARHGOAT, is a fantastic product to try for the first time. If you're wanting to look for a solution that is going to not be very expensive, because $20 for a bottle is really good, and especially if you buy them in packs of 3, I think it's $50, so you get discounts on that as well. It's the way that I look right now is great. I can go out and feel a lot more confident about no one seeing my scalp, but I'm going to show you how to take this look up to the next level, because as you can see, my scalp is covered, but I still have kind of thin hair. So stay with me and I'll be right back, and I'll show you how to take this look to the next level. Okay, so now as you can see, after applying all the fibers into my hair, I have now put some extensions in, which to me just kind of makes the look a lot nicer. And one of the reasons that I love using hair fibers like this instead of wearing a topper is that with a topper you get that like line down the middle. You can't have that kind of like pulled, like hair pulled back kind of a look. Where if you use the hair fibers and you put some extensions in, you still have that completely natural hairline. All of this is filled in now, but I can add my extensions to give myself like a much more elevated, fuller look. So if you use these hair fibers and you still have thin hair, go out and get some nice human hair extensions. Mine are from the Bombay Hair Company, and take this look to another level. If you like these videos and you want to continue learning about all different types of products, whether it's hair toppers or different treatments for hair loss, or great tools like these hair fibers which can disguise visible scalp, please subscribe and come along with me as I keep on going, trying lots of new products to help you out. Thanks. Until next time.